and welcome to the Crazy Case Corner Technology channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up one of these Dahua IP cameras. So you will need one of the Dahua cameras, TP-Link POE Injector, 2 Ethernet wires and power for the POE Injector. An Ethernet wire has this end. You will also need a computer that has access to Internet Explorer. Once I have everything on my desk, I will be back with the power of editing. So I'm back. I have the POE injector on my desk. I have the power, which is already connected to the mains. I have one Ethernet wire. I have this long one, which is beside me. And I also have the camera. These are the things that you will need. So, first step, take your POE injector and take your Ethernet wire, and if it's the one that's not going to be going into the camera but going to be going into your hub, which it won't be going into my hub but it will be going into an extender, if it's going into either a hub or extender, on your POE injector there'll be a side that says LAN in and then a side that says power plus data out. For the one that's going to be going into your hub / extender, go into the LAN in. And then for the one that's going to be going into your camera, you need to put it into the power plus data out. And there we have it. So that's the POE injector just about sorted. With your power, mine says DC 48 volts. Now then, if there's an orange light, it means that the camera is not plugged in. But if it's like a green light, it means the camera is plugged in. So as the camera is not plugged in at the minute, then it says, then it's got like an orange light. But for the camera, because of it being a POE injector, you don't need the power. So any power that says, mine says DC 12 volt in, I don't need that one. That one can just be out of the picture. This is the main one because this one, power goes in there, plus the data goes in there, and then it can be accessed from a computer. So now with your other end on my wire, it has this waterproof thing, so it's like got a shell on the actual Ethernet thing, and then here there's like a waterproof plug. Then you can plug it in. Let's just make sure that it's nice in. So then now on my POE injector, it's got a green light, so it should now be working. And then on your hub, I'll show you how to wire it up to your hub. So guys, on my hub / extender, there's 3 lights. That one's red at the minute because it's not getting very good Wi-Fi signal. But then on mine there should be that green one. That one should be green as well. There should be a green one in between there and then the green one there. They're all green now, so let me plug this in. Just try and find the way. So then once it's plugged into your Ethernet socket, on mine all of them lights go green. So now I'm going to turn my computer on and then also get my phone set up for seeing the camera on the phone. So guys, I've got my computer running. What you need to do is, in a command prompt, you need to type ipconfig. And then, once you found out your IP address, you need to change your IP to the default one of the camera. And then, you can then change it to your home IP, which is what it's on now. So, I've got the login username and password. Let's log in and see if we can see our camera. Hello! So I have my phone next to me, so I'll be back. I'll try and get this sorted out now. So at least you can actually see. 25th of the 1st. 2000. I wasn't even alive then. So what you need to do is download an app called DMSS. And then so once you've downloaded DMSS, go into a plus IP domain. For this camera it's wired, and I'll just quickly type in the IP address. So I've just clicked the save button and it's actually saved. Now I have had this set up on my phone before, but look, I mean it's not in real time because look, I'm putting a finger up. Hello YouTube. So guys, yeah, that's how you set up the security camera. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy our content, click the subscribe button. And if you like our video, click the like button. And our Facebook can be found here, and Twitter can be found here. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.